How to chat on Fall Guys. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to chat on Fall Guys. Chatting on Fall Guys is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. In Fall Guys, there is no inbuilt chat feature for text or voice communication within the game itself. However, you can still communicate with other players using these methods. Use in-game emotes. Fall Guys features a variety of emotes and gestures that you can use to communicate with other players. You can access these emotes during gameplay by presenting the corresponding button or your controller or keyboard. Voice chat through platform. If you are using a console like PlayStation or Xbox, you can use the platform voice chat feature to communicate with friends. You will need to set up a party chat or use a voice chat application on your console. Third-party communication app. You can use third-party apps like Discord or any other voice or text chat application to communicate with your friends. Create a server or group chat and use it to coordinate with your friends. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.